All right, good afternoon. I guess good morning. It is 10:49 Eastern Time. It is September 8th, 2025. It's my first trade of the day. Hopefully, we could get something going here. Market is up 23 points. This is way too much information here. Don't need this thing so big there. Yeah, so this is pretty much my setup. This is what I use to take trades. I've gotten questions, hey, what am I, what levels do I look at? Yada, yada, yada. I just need to know what the opening print is, where it opened, where we closed yesterday, the high and the low. Everything else is in the order flow. So let's see what we can do. First time looking at the charts today. We have 4 pushes up on the footprint. That's all I need to know. Hey, we're pushing up on the footprint. We're pulling back a little bit. It seems like a lot, but it's only 3 points on a pullback. It's a 5-minute chart here. Got a couple of selling imbalances. Got a POC. POC is moving down a little bit. Let's go ahead and check out. So if I'm taking a look, I'm looking at 512. And move this up a little bit. 509.75, 512. That's all I need to know. We have a high of 513.75. It's a 30-minute chart, so I don't need to really look at that too much. Just need to see the structure. And what I could do here is I could move this whole chart down here. That's what I'm looking there. And that's it. So I'd probably be looking at somewhere around 11.25 to go long, which is right about here. Just need to see a little more price action. I had a whole bunch of sellers hitting these bids, so I need to see what's going on. That's a big number. All right, we take a look at this number, 685. That's 3 times pretty much this number. You see what's happening here? All right. You see what's happening with these numbers here. They're going from 450 to 550. All right, so there's something going on there. All right. Buying and selling, two-way trading. They're starting to pull the offers here. They're starting to add the bids here. Going to go long. Just so you got my dome, I had it crunch down the numbers, the intervals. So I'm just going to work it out. So yeah, so we came down a little bit. We're coming up a little bit. I don't need that much information there. We could take a look. There's really not much movement coming up here. We could easily go up to 29.30 today. We'll take that one out. Let's let this marinate a little bit. Got more volume here at 1175. I'm going to go long at the high. Looks good. We're not filled yet. Had that seller come in. They're starting to sell a little bit. It's below me, so I really am not concerned with that. All right, we want to see if these increase, which they did. We should be getting filled pretty soon here. We'll see if these start pulling. All right, we'll see if these offers start drying up a little bit. So we're in. Remember, we're at the high right now, right? So I'm expecting a little pullback. Am I recording? Hello. Yep, I am. So we're adding. We're adding to these bids. We did have a seller come in here. We're still holding up, so the buyers are holding it up. We still have that high. All right, we hit the high, and I don't see much of a stop run. We had a bunch of buyers here before, a bunch of sellers. So let's see what happens here. You see it's re-adding? They're re-adding on the offer here. So you got the buyer, you got sellers are absorbing these buyers. See if the buyers are starting to come in right here. Just go to break even real fast. We're coming up pretty good here. I'll take it. So about 3.5 points there. Let it marinate a little bit. Got about 8 minutes on this video. I'm gonna cut it off here. I'm gonna keep the video smaller now. I'll just start a new one. All right. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you comment, I will get back to you. And join my Discord. I'm in the chat when I'm trading. All right, all free. All right, so thanks again for everything. Over 500 subscribers. It's a big milestone. I'm in a great mood. All right, take it easy. I just made some money. Hey, it's all good. Have a good one.